Thina mbere maabitha a borithi aria matari na uniform ni moritio kugacirithagia ikiro cia iguru cia wigiririki o ari niguo kwihokeka ni muingi. Ritana riri rikitio ni kanitha wa Gatoreki Embu makiuga wihokeku wa muingi hari maabitha aya uthite na mbere gutebeba ari ni kumana na aria na kana ari ni kuringana na kumana na mikarire yao.
Makiaria hindi ya mahoya ma hamwe maoro mwaka kuri maabitha aya Embu Town, muthikabu wa kanitha wa Embu Peter Kimani ni ateterithitie bata wa maabitha aya gutwarithia mitugo yao kuringana na mihitwa yao ya kiwira.
Do not indulge in ways and in lives and in practices that are going to endanger your life, especially things that bring us into alcoholism, into drugs and substance abuse, into indiscipline, into desertions, into misuse and abuse of our loans and our monies that we have, such that we become pecuniary embarrassed.
Maya maroka riri muingi ukoretwo kiorota maabitha amwe aria maugite matare na mitugo miega undu uria ucungiririe kuongereka gwa ciiko cia unyamaria na uici. Oho ni morotete kuongereka gwa ciiko cia unyamaria wa atumia riu makiuria maya kurongorerio.
Why are we giving our spouses no, we should desist from this? We were told when you are young and you are growing up and you are about to mingle and you get relationship, men were always told to run. When problems happen in the home, the man is the easiest one to run away. He takes a few of his clothes, puts in that basket and runs away and leaves the wife instead of killing. Let the man run. Men are the skilled to run because they don't have children to carry along. So when these disputes come, and of course we don't pray they come, let you run.
Maabitha aya ni moritio kuhimbiria uhuthiri mwega wa mbeca na njira ya gubanga miturire yao nginyagia nja wa wira wao.
But more importantly, the issue is that let us pray for our country to be in peace. Because once the peace is not there, we are the most affected because of what happens.
Hamwe na uguo ateti ni moritio gwithema na uhuthiri wa muingi itemi-ini ria kwiguna o ene.
The officers here will attest to the fact that those challenges of lack of peace in the society becomes a very serious problem like we experienced last.
Handu-ini ha GTN TV, Njitikaga Wangeci wa Mwangi.